So this is a quick video.
Why
This is
we
the
scared to
takedown
shave?
video of my
Why?
Glueless quick weave.
They
This
just be
is
so
a
puffy.
long-lasting protective style now. She had this quick weave from July 29th to September the 24th. Y'all, had so much growth, and that bob was still laying and flowing so natural. But this, y'all, this right here is why my quick weave got this Glueless quick weave name. It's a straight protective style, y'all. No glue touches the hair. Check it out. Now, this is all her new growth. And her tracks still laid. They still flat. Right now, I'm just navigating the string so I can cut it out. And you only clip the string and it'll peel right off, y'all. As you can see, it's coming off real easy. Ain't no glue on her hair. Ain't no glue on her braids. I'm just clipping the string and it's just peeling up. Oh, I thought the stylist who be having all that glue in y'all head said something. My bad. I'm talking about this quick weave was like 2 months old, y'all. Y'all see her growth? Oh my god, I'm the goat. I'm the goat. Anytime we braid y'all hair down, y'all know we go in with some of that Pink Mafia growth drops. Have your hair moisturized and everything while it's up under that quick weave. This is always my absolute favorite part, to show y'all this cap. Ain't none of her hair on this cap. None of her hair is no glue on the cap. I mean, it's no glue on her hair. Stuck to the cap. None of that. Look at the growth. Yes. Now, after this bob, my girl got a traditional quick weave with 2 bundles of 16 inches with some curls. Yeah. This is also a traditional protective quick weave, so it's glueless. Same method I use, same way to take it off. So much body. You can shop this hair. This hair is from my hair collection. It will be linked. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video because, yeah,